And we're getting a 2-for-1 today, guys. You remember this house? Really nice park. It was a transformation, not a turnover. Now it's a turnover. Unexpected. It was my second one today. You know it's the first, which is sad. I'm going to see it for the first time. It's the price we pay sometimes. They're really nice tenants until they weren't. But anyway, the neighborhood keeps going up. Location, location, location. Everything's nice. Multi-family right there. All the neighbors are the same from before, so we're all friendly. So, I don't know, let's not waste too much time. See the outside. Well, let's see what we're here for. There's a Modelo can, a little bit of partying, the weeds. Obviously that's a mess. Not the end of the world. The windows seem intact, they didn't break them. It's hot, we're sweating, but let's see. Let's see what's on the inside. Hi guys, the smell, wow, the smell, it makes me sad. Look at these walls. Look at this shit. Come here, you gotta see closer. Guys, this is all, you know what this is? Cockroaches. We got cockroaches everywhere, literally. I mean, look at the filth. Guys, we're gonna show you the link to the transformation of this house. Make sure you post the link. Look at the picture. It was a beautiful house, brand new paint, new flooring, waterproof floor. Look at nasty the floor is. That's the good floor. We did the good baseboards. But again, is it going to discourage me? No, it's not going to discourage me. We're going to get more. But again, money looks like this. Don't be afraid. Don't let fear get in the way, because if you see this, a lot of people, oh no, I'm just going to put it in my 401k. Your 401k has no cash flow, max tax, and it's not going to save you, right? So don't let fear get in the way. Look at this fridge. It was broken, not bad. At least they left my kitchen drawers. I had a house, kid you not. I'm gonna see if I can post a picture. They took my kitchen drawers. Not because they wanted to be mean, they were lazy. You know how you have a junk drawer, instead of emptying it out into a bag? They thought it was easier. Hey, I'm gonna take your kitchen drawer. Unbelievable, it happens, right? So I'm glad they didn't. Look at this. Oh, look at this. There's probably bugs in here. Look at this crap. And if you're curious, yes, it smells as bad as it looks. So it does smell, but it also smells like money. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at the rooms. Got a room here. Oh, nasty. Look at the freaking fans. Okay? But I invite you to look at everybody's fans. You go to somebody's house and they have a fan, pay attention. If you see this in somebody's fan, run! It's a direct reflection of how they live. I don't want any part of it, okay? It doesn't take long. It's not about money, okay? You can be clean and money doesn't matter, right? This is unacceptable. I don't care what your economic status is, right? Unacceptable, nasty. But then again, I was getting above market rent, comes with a risk. It is what it is. Oof, look at that. Cockroaches everywhere. Not a room. When I mean infested, guys, every room has cockroaches. How many people lived in here? I don't know, a lot. A lot. A lot. But I'm gonna give you a little, I'm feeling very generous. So why, a lot of people ask me, why do I buy houses like this? I'll tell you why. Let's say you're making $100,000 a year, but you're working 8 to 5, $100,000 a year. Divided by 12, what is it? 8,300, right? 8,300 a month. So one house, let's say you only make $500 a month from one house without trading your time. Now divide the 8,300 by 500, what's that? 16, 17 houses. That's your goal. Get 16, 17 houses in cash flow, 500, or half of that in cash flow, 1,000, and you're free. You're making the money you make without trading your time. That's your goal. Start working now. Otherwise, nothing's going to save you. You will literally work until you die. Nice room. Except new paint. We got to bomb the place at least 3 times. Spray it again. It's nasty. How much was the deposit? I was getting $3,300. It's a 6-bedroom, 4-bed house. My deposit is $3,300. Just by seeing this, how much is it going to take to turn it over? $7,000. About 7,000. So this, I'm going to be upside down. I'm going to be upside down 4,000 in my rent. So it's double. Still pencils. Guys, remember, it will pencil on a long enough timeline. Look at this. What happened here? Nasty. I'm not even going to open this. It smells so bad. You got toilet. Surprisingly, the toilet is clean. We've seen so many worse ones, like the one I just showed you, that didn't have the running water. I mean, that was insane. Kids, look at this, what they do. Look at this. Just dirty people. Look at the walls over there. I mean, look at this. Insane. Junk. Nothing. Where are the doors? Look at this crap. They saved my kitchen drawers, but they took my doors. You can't make it up. That is literally living the dream in real estate, what it looks like. But this house is huge. How huge? I think it's like 2,300 square feet. Massive. You can put a lot of families in here. Because think about it. People say, wow, 3,300 is a lot of money. Not really. 3 families, 1,100. 4 families, what, 800, 900? Nothing. So that's how it is. When people can't afford the rent, you get roommates or family members. And that's how you afford it. Try this bathroom. I mean, the one thing that's good, I've been doing these French drains. Man, bugs everywhere. What's up with these bugs? Luckily, I have a shower at the office. I'm gonna clean that stuff out. But I mean, that's what money looks like. Can't be afraid. I'm not afraid. I want to point something out. Look at all these Glade, Febreze. Guys, it's like that short that I did that Febreze is not going to fix the problem with the dirty socks. You may want to reconsider. You think Febreze fixes the smell right here? No. So why do people do it? Be clean. Nothing will fix being clean. Take a shower. Be clean. Okay? You're not going to need as much of this crap. Some people. Unbelievable. Look at the spider. Look at how big the spider is. Look at this. Look at this. Nasty. Pillows. Not touching them. One time we had bed bugs in one of them and my whole crew got them. So I had to pay for bed bug removal, like 4 different people. If you guys don't know anything about bed bug removal, you have to like steam up the whole house, this whole situation. They live everywhere. It's disgusting, right? So you gotta be very careful. Look at that Modelo. They like their Modelo. A little knife. Oh, for the lime, right? Was that chicharrones? Whatever this is. Unbelievable. Well, thought it was a spider. See the outside. See what's going on the outside. You got that shed. I'm gonna see what's in there. But again, I like the multifamily there. Like the yard. Minor junk. It's right on the alley, which is great. I know what people are afraid of alleys. I love them. And now there's a new setback. You can put different casitas in here. See what they're hiding. Mattresses, guys. Now, were they people living here? I don't know. But there's mattresses. Forks. I don't know. Maybe. It's not going to be the first or the last time I'll probably see it. Sad as it is. It is what it is. So that's it. I think about 7,000 is going to delay me about a couple weeks. But then I'm going to rent it. I'm going to get a new deposit. And we're going to make money again. Am I going to lose? No. Buy and hold. You know who wins? The one that holds. Wholesaling is a job. Flipping is a job. Your wage earning is a job. The only thing that wins, buy and hold any assets. I prefer real estate. I don't care if it's stocks. Can you borrow against stocks? Of course, any asset. I prefer cash flow. Real estate, residential real estate provides the best cash flow. Buy more real estate. Don't let fear get in the way. Let's get it.